Hey ladies, it's Tracy, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you some things from 31 that we're talking about in the show. I know that today we're talking about organizing features with 31 and focusing on the large utility tote and the deluxe utility tote. This is my large utility tote. And it has one of the Tote lids on it. Now, the Tote lid there's a size for the large and a size for the deluxe utility tote. And they come in multiple colors, but they're all like kind of a neutral, like I think black, navy, gray, and brown. And actually, one of them has one extra option. The other one only has like 3 options as far as colors. So you've got that nice canvasy fabric, and these are the slits that the handles slide through. This will be a nice top to keep, like if you're carrying books and papers and files and stuff, to keep things dry and protected from, something falling on them. And then, let's see if I can show you here. Okay, so then, here's the tote. I can get a better angle for you. There we go. Slide that on there. And in the corner right here, it has a little bit of it feels like a little bit of elastic right there. It's over there, and there you go. Now, I'm going to show you, if you saw the pictures I posted, I don't know if I've actually posted it in your show yet. For those of you, I've got a couple online Facebook parties going on right now. But I had shared a picture of what I was doing with one of the mini storage bins. I had bought a couple of the sale bins in Topsy Turtle. They're really cute, and they're about like that big. It's big. Let me go get it real quick. Hold on. Okay. So here's my bin, the one that I've already got some homeschooling supplies in. Let me just tell you, and this thing is full, and I still have a little bit of room in it. So I've got a lot of like rock samples and geology type of things, some books, empty containers, butterfly kit, one of those collapsible nets. I've got a bunch of stuff in here. So, no. I'm babysitting. No. Go play. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so see how they collapse like this? That is typical for 31 products. They're foldable so that you can, foldable for good storage, right? And you can fit them somewhere if you don't need to use them. So here's that Topsy Turtle. I just opened up my other one. It's got the nice fabric handle here. It's like a very good durable canvasy material. No. Got a handle on both sides. And then it has that wipeable material feel and like a vinyl inside. Oh, and just another word about this. This Topsy Turtle print, there's also a lunch thermal in there. I think it's called the Go-To, but at any rate, if you look in the lunch thermals, it's the one that it doesn't have a strap. It just has like a hand-holding thing. And it's got some turtles on the one side. These are both on sale, and I think they might be doing away with them. I'm not sure, but this is regular $22, I believe, and it's on sale for $12.99. I think the lunch one is, it's a navy blue mostly, but it has just like a print with a few turtles, actually. Yeah. But I think it's like $10.99. So those items, if you want them, you better grab them up now, you know, before they're gone for good. 'Cause I don't know if they're coming back, or I'm not sure what the plan is with those. But you can get a lot in there, and it'd be great for, you know, you could do bath toys, or I mean, I don't know if you want to do bath toys. You could put toys in general in them. Let's see, something else thought I wanted to show you. Oh yeah, hold on a minute. Yeah, something that I don't think I have it scheduled to feature today, so let me show you right now. This is the family organizer. Okay, I have a couple of these now. One of them I actually have embroidered on here. It has says first aid and the big and sign, the ampersand, car stuff. So it's something that I'm going to put in my van. So I'll just unsnap this and look at all this space. And I actually will probably do another video on this. Well, once I have my first aid kit filled up, because, you know, I'm going to have first aid supplies and things for the kids to do when they're in the back seat, you know, like maybe some markers and stuff. My boy's a little bit older, but I have one that really likes to draw and write and do stuff like that. Well, here, let me get it right here. If you do the oils, like I do, Young Living essential oils also. She's okay. This is one of the 10 milliliter roller bottles. You could use this kit to store your oils. Put it in here. So I'm going to show you how it fits. So I just have a couple from my purse right here. So this is the 10 milliliter roller bottle, and that's the 5 milliliter bottle. So to give you an idea of how much, you know, you could actually pack in there. And then just fold it up. Snap it and take it with you. So like if you're a distributor like I am, with Young Living, you can pack your stuff up in here and then take it, you know, with you on your travels, or if you want to, you know, if you're going to show somebody what you got. And come to think of it, you could even have something embroidered on here, like, you know, whatever your thing is, like if your group is called Oily Families or just I Love Oils, you know, you can have that embroidered on here. How nice would that be? You know, your own custom oil carrying kit, or, you know, your own custom whatever. Just like I mentioned about mine being customized for my van. It already says first aid and car stuff. So I didn't have it handy to show you. I think it's upstairs. So actually it's in another video, and I think I may have posted that video, but if not, just maybe I'll post it later. And then I will show you this. This is the Deluxe Utility Tote, or Deluxe Organizing Utility Tote. This is, it has zips, the zip top. So it's like the bigger version with some alterations from the regular zip top organizing tote. You know, the one that has like the one that has like 3 pockets. It's smaller and it has 3 pockets here and 2 on the back. Well, this one is larger. This would be a great. This is my work travel bag now. It has deep pockets, so you can put those bigger thermal cups in there. I had mine customized for me. It says wife, boy, mom, and blogger, and I got this for me as a blogger for when we go on our trips. And then I bought a charcoal, the charcoal gray and pebble or something like that, savvy sleeve for my laptop, and I had it customized also. So you do have one zipper pocket here. Here. You have the 2 mesh bags, one here, and you have a deep flat pocket here. Let's see. And then inside, there's no pockets on the inside yet, there's no inside pockets. This is my, it's okay. This is my savvy sleeve laptop case, and it's made for, can hold maybe up to some 15-inch laptops. I have a MacBook Air, and it's about 13 inches, and it fits fine. I can even get some more stuff in there. So, okay, so what is it? Oh, okay. And I know I'm like, one more thing, right? One more thing. Little zipper. This is the mini zipper pouch. We'll talk about this on a different day of the show, but this is a great little tool for organizing things, and it has the little clasps there, and this is just one of the key fobs from 31. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could just throw your money and your credit cards or whatever you need in here, and attach your keys, and then just go, if you don't really need a purse. So, that's all I got for you. So, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will check with you inside the party, okay? Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And you go to look at anything online and to see what else they have. I highly recommend you go check out the baby line, because some of the things that aren't necessarily made to be diaper bags, they're in some, there's a really cute print out there. There's just some pretty stuff out there. I ordered myself something. I already was telling people about it. So just go to my31.com/Tracy Zadeller to see those things, okay? All right, thanks. I'll check with you later. Bye.